Hello, today we are going to place purlins on this model. We want to place purlins on the rafter and side clad purlins along the columns, and the side clad purlins on the upper side of the gable, this gable and the other end. Without wasting time, we'll align our axis with the rafter. We'll come to view, work plane tool, we'll click on the rafter, we'll come to navigate, rotate about that spot. Now we'll start from this position, we'll come to steel beam, we'll snap at a midpoint here, right there, and run all the way to this end, to this edge right there. We'll double click on this, come to position, come to front, come to left. Now apply this and accept, come to view, rotate with mouse. We want to change this to a purlin. This is not the right steel profile we intend to place as a purlin here. We'll double click on it, these beam properties will come up. We'll click on profile, minimize this. We'll go to steel sections here, steel sections limited, right here. Come to C section, side rails, we'll pick this, apply and accept. Do the same here, but prior to going ahead, we'll give this below. On plane, we'll give an offset of 150. We'll apply that and accept. Right click, copy from this spot. Just zoom closer and make sure you pick on the right position. Zoom closer and run all the way to this end, right there and right here. But when you take a closer look, you'll see the end point of this purlin is flashing with the edge of this rafter, which is not right. We want to shorten that with this measurement from midpoint to the edge of this rafter. Now we'll take or confirm the measurement here. Click that and that. It is 85 millimeter. Now that 85 millimeter is what we will remove from this end. We'll double click on this, come to position and type -85, and click modify. Remove that negative and click modify, apply and accept. Right click on empty screen and click copy. Right from this spot, join it up with this end and just continue like that to this end. Just continue to the very last, place it here, zoom out, right click and interrupt to end that copy command. Double click on this, come to position and type -300. First of all, bring this to 0 to let this flash now with the edge of the rafter. Once it has flashed, we want another extension from here, another extension of 300. Very easy to place. Just type 300 and click OK. Click here and undo. Double click, come to position and click negative and type -300. Apply and accept. Come to this end, double click, come to position and type 300. Apply and accept. Now come to view, navigate, rotate with mouse and rotate about that spot. This is what we wanted to do. Now it's time now to place the cleats and the stays. Click on an empty screen to deselect that. Now come to applications and component here. Type 2. 2 is the cold rolled sleeve. From here we'll click on this, click on that, click on that and press the middle button on the mouse. Once you've done that, close this, come to navigate and rotate this, double click on this and this will bring you to this end. We'll use that, come up, apply that. Come to stays. Under stays, pick the 2 stays, come up, modify. Then change this. If you apply this and come to navigate, rotate this, you need some adjustments here prior to any continuity. It's quite simple. Double click on this. Once you've double clicked on that, come down, come to stays, type 60 there. Once you've typed 60 there, move up and apply that. Move down, come to bolts. We need some washers. Apply that, zoom closer. We need 2 bolts here, the interval of 75. We'll apply that. Perfect. When you come to stays, that is much better. We'll apply and accept. Then come to navigate, rotate this. Once you've done that, come to cold rolled sleeve, click that, cold rolled sleeve, click that, and come all the way to this end. Click this, this and that. Press the middle button, come here and do the same thing here. Click this, this and that. Press the middle button, then come all the way to this end here and here and press the middle button on the mouse. Do the same thing to this end. Click this and that, press the middle button on the mouse. Now we don't need this anymore. Close it. Come all the way to this end. Click this and that, press the middle button on the mouse. Now we want to populate this along the x-axis. We'll select that, press Ctrl and select this, Press Ctrl and select that. Continue pressing Ctrl and select. Now right click, come to special copy, linear. We need 1.1. We need 7 of these, and click copy. Accept that. Once you've done that, come to navigate under view, turn this round. Everything is in the right place and in the right spot, or on the right spot. Right click and redraw. Turn this round. Perfect. Right click, come to view, work plane tool. We'll place our work plane tool somewhere here, somewhere there, somewhere there. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse, pick that, pick that, pick that, pick that, and this. Make sure you move along with this. Make sure you move along with this. Select all this. Select this. Now we'll right click to invoke the mirror command under special copy. Click that. Now move closer and snap right there. Move down and snap right here and make that our mirror line. Click that and accept. Come to navigate under view and rotate this. Come to navigate, rotate this. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is to do the same thing of changing our XY axis. We'll come to view, work plane tool, and place our work plane tool there for X to take the slope of this rafter. Then we'll go ahead and select all these purlins, all the purlins. Select all the purlins here. Right click, come to special copy, linear, and click copy. Come to navigate, rotate this. Perfect. Right click and redraw. Come to navigate, click here and turn this round. This is exactly what we wanted to do. Now from here, we'll click this, right click, come to special copy, linear, and type -900 or -600, -600. We need one of it, and click OK. Apply and accept. Click here, navigate, turn this round. That's not enough. Press Ctrl, pick this, and pick the last one. Right click, click special copy, linear, 900, -900. Just zoom closer and click copy. Click OK. Right click and click on an empty screen, on a clear screen with no any model or any part of the model to disable that selection. Now from here we want to place an if. Press Ctrl and delete all these stays. Click on that, click on this, and click on that. Click on this, right click and delete. Now switch back to our elevation view, this one. Right click and redraw. This is our elevation view. Highlight everything there, double click on it, come to position and bring this to 0. That, and let's switch back to our isometric view. Highlight everything here, highlight that, highlight this. Just Control and pick this and double click on it. Come to position, change this to 0 and apply. Prior to doing anything like that, we want to bring this closer. Click move. From here to there by 300 and enter. Come to navigate and rotate this. Still not enough. Come to move, snap right here and place it there and type 50 and enter. Come to navigate and rotate this. This is much better. Now from here we'll deselect that and bring our workplane tool to default. Come to view, place a workplane tool here, place our workplane tool here, navigate, rotate this. I'll come to steel beam, I'll click on that spot and run all the way to this end and type 400 and enter. I want to change this profile to IPE. I'll minimize all this. I'll scroll down and come to IPE 100. I'll apply that and accept. Apply that and accept. Double click on this again, come to position and change all this to 0. Apply and accept. Right click on that, click move. Click on that spot, run all the way to and come and place it here. Come to view, navigate, rotate that. Want to shorten this, by dragging it like that. Come to navigate, rotate this. I want to move this slightly downward. I'll click on it, right click, click move. From here, place your cursor there and type 30 and enter. There's a slight clash. Bring it up by 20. Bring it up by 20 again. Navigate, rotate this. Now I'll come to applications and components and type Endplate. Endplate. I'll click that. I'll click that, this and this, and do this and that. Navigate, turn this round, double click on that, close this, come to bolt, pull this away, come here and select middle, apply and accept, and come to navigate and rotate this. This is exactly what we wanted to do, but we can still change the bolts. Double click on that, come to bolts, give empty loop is okay, and give some washers there, apply and accept. Come back here, attach this to that, come to navigate, rotate this. No problem, we'll work with this. It's perfect. We'll close this down, come to navigate, rotate this. We want to populate this along the columns. Right click and click copy. From here to here to there. Place another one there, place another one here, place the last one there. Perfect. Well placed. Those are the eaves. Now, next move is to highlight all this. Click on that, zoom out, press Ctrl and pick that. Zoom out, press Ctrl and pick that. Zoom out and press Ctrl and pick that. Just continue like that. Now we want to change our work plane tool to face or to place. We want to place our XY axis on this plane, right there. Right click and interrupt. We'll right click and click special copy and mirror, zoom closer there and here. Click copy and accept. Perfect. We'll do the same to this. Press Ctrl. We left something out, but no problem, it will still work. that. Right click, click special copy and mirror. We left this one out. Let's mirror this from here to here. This is our mirror line. Right there, click copy and accept. Perfect. We are good to go. Redraw. Perfect. Turn this round like this. Now this is the best way to do it. Perfect. Now next move is this. We'll come to steel with steel beam. Just snap right here and place your place your cursor here and type 385 and enter. Click on this, right click, click move from that spot to that spot. From that spot, click this, click move, come to view, rotate this. Click move, turn this. We want to access the bottom end of this. Come to navigate, rotate this. Right click, click copy or move. From here, just place your cursor down here and type 2500 and enter that. Come to navigate, rotate this. Click this, turn this round. We want to change or increase the size of this steel profile. We'll change it to size 200. We'll apply that and accept. Click modify and accept that. Now we'll right click, click special copy mirror, then come to the same spot here. Click that and run all the way to the bottom end here and click that and click copy and accept. That's much better. Now click on the screen, on an empty screen. Come here, click steel beam. Just place your, click on that end, place your cursor there and type 6 meters and enter that. Double click on this, come to position, come to behind, middle, front, back, bring this to 0, apply. right click and click bottom here and click move. Place it right there. Double click on this. Want to change the profile, want to give it a C or a channeled profile. We'll come to PFC here. PFC here. We'll pick 100 or 150. 125 is okay. Apply and accept. Right click, click copy from this spot to this spot right there. That one will be welded to that member. This one too will be welded to this member. Something wrong, something not straight here. It is okay. Now double click on this, or take the actual measurement of what you need to remove from that end to this end. That is 1345. Now we'll double click on this, come to position and type 1345. We'll type negative 1345 and click modify, apply and accept. Come to view, navigate, turn this round. Perfect. Perfect. Now come to steel beam, click move right there. Will be much better. Now from here we'll click this, right click, click copy from that spot to this spot. To this spot. Just zoom closer, place it there and move to this spot and move closer or right on this spot. Come right here, place another one here. Place another one here. Let's zoom closer and place another one there. Right click and disable that command. Now we want to drag this one down to flush with that member. Drag it once more to flush with that member. We'll do the same thing here. Drag and pull. Click that, drag and pull, click that, drag and pull, bring it there. Do the same thing, drag and pull it up to that end. Click this, pull it down here, pull it down here. Perfect. Now from here we'll come to applications and component and type weld. We'll pick that. We want to weld this to this and weld this to this. Let's do the same thing top here first. Want to weld this to this one to this one and this one and this one. Just move all the way to the last one. Then you come down here. You want to weld this to this, weld this to this, weld this one to this one to this. Just do the same thing all the way through. Perfect. Now another thing, we want to weld this to this. We want to weld this one to this one. Weld this to this. This one to this one. Not the best way. That one will be bolted. Right click and redraw. Now the next move, we'll delete this first. The next move is, let's highlight this, click copy from that spot to this spot. Double click on this and come to position and click top, apply and accept. Navigate, turn this round like this. Double click on this. We want to change this member size to hollow section. Minimize that. Let's come to rectangular hollow section here, 60 by 4 mm thick. Apply that, apply and accept. Right click, click move from that spot to this spot. Right click, click move from here 300 and enter. Right click, click copy from that spot. Just zoom out and place it here. That will be a weld. This will also be a weld. Weld to this. No problem with that extension. Prior to mirroring anything here, we want to populate this up. Select that, select that, select that and that. Then come to workplane tool, place your workplane tool here, right here. Then right click, special copy, linear. Please note the direction of the x-axis. We want 900 or 800. Need 3 of these. And click that. And click OK. Come to navigate, click this and rotate. Press Ctrl and select all this. Select all this. Right click, click special copy mirror. Zoom closer to our mirror line here. This is our mirror line. Snap right there. Zoom out and finalize it there. Click copy. Right click, click and redraw. Come to navigate, rotate about that spot and turn this round. We want to shorten this. Double click on that. Come to position that is 0. Click this. Click that, click this, apply and accept. Now come to navigate, rotate this. We'll shorten this. Double click on it, or we can just delete it from that spot. Turn this round. Come here and extend this. Come to position, extend this to 200. 200, typing negative. $200, apply and accept. Come all the way to this end, delete this, double click on this, come to beam properties under position, bring this to 300, $400 and $50. Apply and accept. That's all for that. Turn this round. Navigate, click that and turn this round like this. Prior to doing anything, we want to mirror this gable to the other end, and before doing that we want to change the work plane tool to this plane right there. Now we'll come to navigate, and select everything here. Press Ctrl and select that. Press Ctrl and select this. Everything here. Select that, select this, select this, this and that. Pick this, pick that, pick this, that and this. Pick this one also. Now we want to focus on the middle point of the whole model along the columns. I'll right click and come to special copy and come to mirror. I want to pick the midpoint here. I want to pick the midpoint here. Right here and there. I'll click copy and accept. I'll come to navigate, click this and turn round. I will have brought everything this end accurately. Right click and redraw. Come to navigate, click here and turn this round. Our shade is coming up perfectly. We've left one member, this one here. Right click, click special copy mirror. Our mirror line somewhere here, there and here. Click copy, delete duplicate, come to navigate, click that and rotate this. It hasn't copied properly. Now we'll just pick this one, right click, click copy. If you see this color becoming yellow, means there's a duplicate there. Delete first, right click, click copy, pick it from that spot, to this spot. Move from that end to this end. Perfect. Now come to navigate, now rotate this. We'll do the same thing here. We come to steel beam. From here to here, we want 6 and 85 and 85. Click on this, right click, click move from this spot to that spot. Double click on that, come to positioning, click 600, type 600, undo. Double click on that, come to position, type 300, negative 300 is okay. Apply and accept. Come to navigate, rotate this. Undo, undo. That one will come later on, the extensions. Right click and right click, click copy, click copy from that spot to this spot. Just zoom out. This will be perfectly welded together. Bring this here, right there. Zoom out and place this one here. Zoom out and place the second last there. Another one here. Now I'll come to navigate, rotate with mouse. click here, try to drag this across like this and leave it there. Double click on it and type 0, apply and accept. Now navigate, turn this round, double click again, come to position, type 100, negative 100, and accept. That's all. Come this end, double click on that, come to position, adjust this to 550, and do that. Come to position, -100, negative 100, apply and accept. Now we'll press Ctrl and select everything here. Select that, come here and select that, come here and select this, and select that one also. Come to navigate and rotate this. Check your axis where it is. We want to populate this upward. Right click, come to special copy, linear. Want to populate this upward at an interval of 1 meter. Need 2 of these. Copy that, apply and accept. Come to navigate, click that and rotate. We've copied or we've populated that across. Our next move is to change our work plane tool. Come here, we'll place the work plane tool right there. We'll come to navigate, we'll rotate this. Right click, pick this, press Ctrl and pick that, pick that, pick that, pick that one, pick this, pick that and that, and that one, this and that. Let's continue selecting what is right to be mirrored. Pick that. Let's pick the last one. Pick that one. We're on the last part, that and this. Now our next move is to right click, come to special copy, mirror, and we come right here on our mirror line and snap there and snap right down here and click copy and accept. Right click to interrupt that copy command, come to navigate and rotate this to check whether what we've mirrored has been placed on the right place. Perfect. These purlins will be welded right on the columns. No clips will be required since it's just a cattle shed. The importance here are the cubicles and the shed and the roof on top. Perfect. Turn this round. Let's change the views. This is our section. This is our side elevation view. Click this and redraw. Something wrong here. What we'll do, we'll highlight everything here to rectify anything that gone wrong. Delete that. Anything that went wrong here will be rectified. Just highlight everything here. Right click, come to special copy, mirror, zoom closer, click on that spot and bring it right here. Click copy and accept. Now everything is right. Right click and redraw. This is what we intended to come up with. Redraw again. Now on the next presentation, we'll place the sheets on top here, well trimmed, with a well trimmed side clad on the gable side, this side and on the other side. If we switch back to our isometric view, we'll place cladding here and a cladding on this end. On this end, I'll right click and redraw this. Now this is a cattle shed, perfect for dairy farming or zero grazing. If you intend to come up with a structure, this is the right structure for you for cattle rearing, especially for dairy purposes. Thanks a lot. I'm Morris Dimba. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new to it. Let's meet on the next presentation, and bye bye.